This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Margaret Shinnebarger. Newly rebuilt 2026 home. Completely renovated inside and out. 2-bedroom/2 bathroom with laundry room. Outdoor lanai. All new appliances, kitchen cabinets, fixtures, floors, windows, roof, vanaties, showers and more. New roof. New air conditioner. New water heater. Window treatments included. Large lot. Trucks allowed. Sidewalk neighborhood. No HOA. Conveninet location. Close to downtown Port Salerno and downtown Stuart. Minutes to I-95. Located in Martin County School District. For more information, review the details below or contact Margaret Shinnebarger at 954-693-0100.